I just had coffee and now I want coffee again. So I just had coffee and now I want coffee again. So I guess I'm gonna drink some more coffee and then do a little bit of packing because we have to go to Florida this weekend. And that's it for the day. And then I'm gonna go and look for a shift for next week, probably in North Carolina. So I'll take y'all there with me as well. Try my best too if I can remember. I suck at this. But yeah, the dishwasher, everything's just washed in the dishwasher. So I'm gonna take these out. Ooh, look at the smoke. Don't see that. Ooh. Yeah, but they're clean. Now I'm gonna put them away and in that order. Okay, so I don't know if y'all ever saw this before, but they sell them at Walmart and they're like a Keurig cup that you put the coffee in, and you actually fill it up and put it in the Keurig just like this, and it's reusable. So you save money instead of buying the big box of Keurig stuff. I'm not trying to discourage y'all to buy y'all stuff, but this is so much easier than trying to buy the over and over, and you can just reuse it with the bag. Okay, y'all, so this is the look that I have. You can't see the whole look. It's crazy. But yeah, this is the look that I have for a funeral, and this is what I want to wear, all black. It has, you can't even see my shoe. Can't see my shoe. But yeah, this hair is from Nadula Hair. Love this wig. This wig is beautiful. It's red. It's fall related. I love it. Y'all, I love this beautiful wig and I hope you love it too. It is beautiful. I just did my makeup in the bathroom, something light, nothing fussy. I never do fussy makeup ever. So this is my look. You can't see the whole look. I'll post a side video of me wearing the whole look. So yeah, we're gonna come back on a Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. So yeah, but my husband's aunt passed away and we're having to go to Florida. It's been a busy week, a long week, and a very tiresome week. But yeah, that's it for today. You'll see me later on today, I guess. So. Home from school. Yeah. So her bag is packed, mini packed. She gotta do the rest of the packing. Say hi to everybody. I was recording with the camera face the other way around, which is kind of crazy. But I just finished doing a little bit of washing. My makeup was off, I took a bath. Of course, you see I'm changed out of my clothing. And now I have to head to the store to get something for her to wear to the funeral on Saturday. So that's where we're going when my husband gets here. We're gonna hit the road and then we're going to go to the store to get her something to wear. I'm washing as we speak. When she gets home, she has to get ready for school tomorrow, so she'll be going to her bed early. And then I will start again tomorrow with the process of everything, and I'll keep you up to speed with everything that's going on with Florida. Hopefully get some B-roll with the store I'm going to. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
So it's like 6:50 right now. I spent 10 minutes watching TikToks and now I gotta hurry up because my bus leaves at I have to go to the bus stop at 7:15 because my bus gets here like 7:20-ish. Yeah, I gotta hurry up.
She's all dressed for school. Okay, so this is what I got from It's Fashion for her. They were reasonable, $14 together. The top comes with a chain, and this bottom is like slacks, but it's really cute. A good, nice outfit for the funeral. Okay, so this is what I've been doing this afternoon. Bags are packed, bed's cleaned. So now I'm going to take off this mask because it's very tight, and look how I'm talking. I can barely drink. Let me show you how I'm drinking. Oh my god, I'm trying not to laugh. That's actually tight to drink. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off because my husband's on the way. But I look weird, but it's okay. Okay, so bags are packed. We are ready to go. Yeah, so we're ready to go. Y'all, my face looks so much better. So I think I'm gonna do a lot of deep cleansing masking more because it makes my face more smoother and it makes my face more clearer. As you can see, I love it. Loving how the pigmentation is coming through. Yeah, so we're good on that end. I'm closing the blinds. But yeah, we're all packed and ready to go. And we're about to head out. What time is it? It is after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So gonna close these blinds up, make sure the house is secure before we leave out. That's it. So my husband is driving and working at the same time. And we're on the road to hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment.